Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor Injimogo, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your face smooth when editing your videos on Capcut. If you're a content creator and you're a type of person that has a lot of spots on your face like acne or pimples, and it's making you feel insecure when you're making videos, you don't need to let that stop you. You don't need to let that stop you. You can actually edit your videos using Capcut and make your face super smooth with the editing feature. And in this video I'm going to walk you through on exactly how to do it. So watch this video to the end. Thank you. When editing your video, you just go to Capcut, then you go to this video. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor Injimogo, and you click on add, and then you go to edit. You are going to scroll, and you are going to go to click on retouch. Then you click on the face, and then you scroll. You're gonna see where they said smooth. Just click on it, and then you can make it, just drag this to 50. Then let's watch it now and see how smooth the face is. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor Injimogo, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your face smooth. Now if you're a type of person, you can see that my face is already smoother with this video. If you're a type of person that has a lot of excess acne, like it's very obvious, you can take it down to the end, and let's watch it and see. When editing your videos on Capcut, if you're a content creator and you're a type of person that, you can see that my face is now smoother, a lot more smoother. Then also you can also whiten your teeth. If you have brown teeth, you can also whiten your teeth, or you just go to click on white teeth here, and then take it to like 50. Let's watch and see how my teeth is. Has a lot of spots on your face like acne or pimples, and you can see that my teeth is a lot more whiter than the original video. That's just how to do it. If your teeth is a lot very brown, you can take it to the ending. Let's watch and see how it will be. Making you feel insecure when you are making videos, you don't need to let that stop you. You can actually, now you can see that my face is now smoother and it is whiter. That is all. That is how to edit your video. So you don't need to allow your facial acne stop you, your brown teeth stop you from posting videos. You can actually edit your videos using Capcut, and it will come out just fine. So I hope you've gained something from this video. See you on the next one. So that is all about editing your videos and making your skin clear. You don't need to allow acne or brown teeth to stop you from making content online and posting. So if you know that you gained a lot from this video, you learned something from this video, what I'd like you to help me do for you, just like this video, leave a comment telling me that, oh yes, if you have any question, you can leave a comment and I will answer you. Just like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, because I post simple, amazing tutorials that can help your e-commerce business, that can help your content creation business. I show you how to use AI to better your content creation business, to make money from your e-commerce business too. And also check in the link in the description where you see all my courses that are available. I'll show you how to, the first 10 products you can actually start selling online to make at least 1 million naira monthly. And I also show you how to build your WhatsApp group, your email list, and make money off it. How to make people buy from you when you build your WhatsApp group and your email list. How to build a community around your product that buys from you and consistently puts money in your pocket. So check out my courses, link is in the description. And also if you want to hire me for your Facebook ads, creative generation, you can always hire me. I'm always there. Just check in the link in the description. Thank you.